Hello, people. So, see, it's a Thursday today, and I'm going to pick up my child, so I'm feeling very happy about that. And the thing is, this morning I woke up very early, okay, and uh, there is this certain page that I came across on Instagram. It's called I Will Go Out 2017. I think the page was set up then. And what is special about this page is the fact that this one page I've seen is dedicated towards fighting against street harassment, street sexual harassment that is so rampant. I mean, you don't come across pages that are dedicated to something like this, yeah. I mean, because what generally happens is, I don't know, on Instagram, you'll have fashion, you'll have music, you'll have everything, shopping under the sun, everything under the sun. But these social issues, wow. So truly, the admin behind the page who's set it up, it is, I mean, to be able to even speak about such a subject, because I'll say this, yeah, being a woman, I mean, every woman out there has faced a certain amount of harassment, and your eve teasing is something we just take it as natural. It's just part of life, kind of thing. So to finally find a page on Instagram that is speaks up against such an issue, and of course, even gay rights and LGBTQ, it is just so awesome. So do check it out, people. It's called I Will Go Out 2017, and you can find it on Instagram. And thank you, people. Thank you, the cute admin and the people behind this whole initiative. I think it's high time we speak up on these issues. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.